Hello everyone and welcome back to our automation series. In our last video, we laid the groundwork for our automation journey by setting up our environment with Java, Eclipse and created a Maven project. If you haven't done it, I'll put a link in the description. You can go watch it and then come back. Now it's time to dive deeper and create our very first script. This is Shriram. Let's jump right in. Here we have our newly created Maven project opened up in Eclipse. And I forgot to mention something in the last video. When we took the Selenium dependency from Maven repository, we took the Selenium 4 version. So now you don't have to download a browser executable explicitly and place it in a folder and pass it on when you're programming. It is all integrated now, so you can write away script. Let me create a package and name it as basics as we are in the basics. And let me create our first script. And I'm naming it as first script itself. We have our package and our first test script class file. And you can literally automate any website, and I'm gonna pick Amazon for this particular demo. Let me create a driver object and I'm gonna use Chrome browser, so it is WebDriver is equal to a new Chrome driver, and I'm using a shortcut Ctrl+Shift+O for the imports. And the method we are gonna use to load the URL is driver.get, and I'm passing the URL. So just right click and then run as Java application. The browser opens and it loads the Amazon website. Let's maximize the window as it is in the minimized format by default. So driver.manage.window.maximize is what you have to use to maximize the window. Okay, so here you can see like you open a browser and then load the URL. So what's the fun without interacting with the elements? So here I'm gonna pick the locator for the search field. So I have a placeholder. Yep, it is search amazon.in. So I'm gonna use that one. So to find an element, it is driver.findElement by xpath. As of now, I'm going to use xpath. I'll paste the xpath and I want to enter mobiles under 50 key. And you can chain multiple arguments with sendKeys. So I'm going to do this. And along with this, I'm going to send enter key as well, so that it imitates enter key press for the search. And I'm running it again. So here it entered the mobile phones. So let's say I want to click on the first element, which is Apple iPhone 13. Let me pick the locator for it. Again, I'm gonna go with the text right away. Yep, that works. And let me paste it. Yeah, again the same thing. Driver.findElement by xpath. And then after that, you should just say dot click. If you're wondering like how I'm getting the suggestions, it is control space and here you see like it enters and then it clicks the first element or the first mobile which is listed in Amazon site. So we have opened the browser, loaded the URL, we entered text, clicked on some element, and now we'll close and quit the browser. And there you have it, folks. You have just created and executed your first automation script using Selenium Java. Stay tuned for the next video in our series, where we'll explore more advanced scripting techniques and take our automation skills to the next level. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, happy automating, and a sub to the channel will be incredible.